Hi skaters, today's video is hopefully a fun one for you guys. I'm learning how to do what's called the Makio, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. I just kind of recently discovered it's a trick where you go up on a railing or coping where you're like traveling along like this, and you're just 1 foot or a box at your street park, and you just jump back off. I'll show you how. I'll show you kind of what I'm working on. It's really fun, and it's a beginner kind of thing too. But it takes some balance. So let's get into this. First, I started on this crack. On a crack, I would recommend on the flat first. And just get used to jumping off of both feet and landing on 1 foot. That's all you're doing. Just jumping and landing on 1 foot, and try to follow in a straight line on the foot that you land on. I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and do it on these cracks right here.
Okay.
So you're traveling along. Right? So pretend that's a box or a railing, and you just want to try to jump and try to spot your landing and land on that line and ride it for a little bit and then jump off. Get your balance. Right? So you jump.
Ooh,
off, right?
Yeah.
So they're fun, but it takes some. It's weird jumping off feet and landing on one. It's weird, but you get used to it. Just practice it on flat.
Okay.
Then we can move up to something very gradual here on this little concrete. Jasmine got a good shot of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop up on that and try.
All right.
Okay. Right about here is where I'm gonna go. So jump, one, and off.
Yeah.
Try it again. Around. Grab. Right? Do it one more time.
All right.
You want to jump off of both feet.
Jump off both feet. Land on 1 foot. Oh.
Try not to wreck like
All right.
But, you know, it's fun. It's not easy.
Right. Okay.
Then I'm going to move up to a little taller obstacle. Jazz wants to get a shot of that and back up a little bit maybe.
Ooh.
I'm going to get a little run and try to take off here and just go up a little bit and then jump off.
All right.
More challenging.
Okay.
Very scary too because of the water.
Yeah, don't go in the water. Here he comes. Jumping off of 2 feet onto 1 feet. Ooh.
That wasn't bad.
Not bad.
They're really fun.
Yeah, okay.
Try it again.
Here he comes again.
Wait for these people to pass.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
Woo! Nice work.
One more.
Okay. He's determined. Just started learning these and doing really good.
Here we go. One more time.
Yeah. Alrighty.
I gotta get the grab. One more grab.
Okay.
I kind of swipe my.
Just don't fall in the water. It's nice and wide. I don't think you will. Yeah, all right. Good job. Boom.
I got the grab, you know, but I didn't hold it too long. But
Hey.
I'm learning this, so
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun. So there's a lot of variations of this trick too. You can hold it all different ways. I'm not sure all the names of all these things, but one I saw where you hold behind, you know, and there's just all kinds of cool things. So
It's a rollerblading trick.
yes,
Yes.
stem from inline, aggressive inline.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the Makio, sort of the Makio. So I hope you skaters enjoyed this video. If you did, please like down below. I'd love to hear your comments, suggestions on other videos that you guys might like to see and learn. And we surely hope that these videos are teaching you guys, helping all of you guys to progress, because progression is just awesome. So anyway, thanks again for checking out this video today, and until next time, skaters, see you later.